प्रसृतान् शेषान् औत्सुक्य मोहारतिजान् जङ्गान् यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै यो पूर्ववैद्याय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै. Good evening, friends, and welcome to the second edition of weekly discussions on pulse diagnosis. At the onset, let me convey you my heartfelt thank you for a wonderful discussions you have been carrying out throughout the week. This discussion is going to help you in analyzing the smaller points in the pulse. This is how one can learn in a better sense. When you are practicing your pulse and you try to make it easier to analyze, despite of the fact that I have suggested not to rush for diagnosis, many of you are trying to rush for diagnosis. Not a bad idea, not at all a bad idea. But what I suggest is, when you are practicing it, try to analyze it as simply as possible. Try to diagnose the commonest possible diseases and make sure that you are not ending up with some odd diagnosis. Your diagnosis should be something which is very routine, normal, and then probably when the entire thing doesn't match to whatsoever you feel like, then you can definitely go on for finding out the other solutions, other options. That is how last time we have seen the variations in the first level of the pulse, which can occur, where are the variables and how the things should go. Yet more than half people have not joined. I don't know. They have forgotten, it seems. You need to understand that with this discussion, you are going to enhance your foray into the concept of pulse diagnosis. And as you go on step by step, you will be able to learn the intricacies of pulse diagnosis. Do you have anybody has any query, or should we go to the second level and speak? Anybody has queries? Now it is more than 2 weeks you are practicing pulse diagnosis. Some of them are for longer period than that. So when you are trying to check the pulse, you must be coming across certain problems. The questions regarding the process of finding, like Gundeji, has he joined? Mr. Gunde, are you there? I don't find him, missing. He asked me a query yesterday that he cannot find immediate expression, but then he could go to the superficial and deep and subdosha and dhatu level. This is absolutely illogical. Why it is illogical? Can anybody tell me? Why it is illogical? When I say that what you are doing is not logical. So what is loss of logic there? कौन बताएगा?
Immediate expression is important because in this part
Naresh bhai?
immediate expression in this part we know the pulse is regular or irregular.
Listen.
And
Now we are not discussing how to check the pulse. First thing. Second, my question was, you listen to the question. हमने पूछा आपसे कि गुंडे जी ने हमें पूछा कि उन्हें इमीडिएट एक्सप्रेशन में पल्स नहीं मिली, उसके बाद उनको सुपरफिशियल और बाकी जगह पर मिली. हम कहते हैं कि ये गलत है, ये इलॉजिकल है. क्यों है इलॉजिकल? कौन बताना चाहेगा? ये आना चाहिए आपको.
तो पहले करेक्टली पल्स को लोकेट करना चाहिए.
अरे आप इमीडिएट पर नहीं जाओगे तो आपके पल्स के बाकी लोकेशन मिलेंगे ही नहीं, क्योंकि आप इंडेक्स फिंगर से सबसे पहले पल्सेशन आइडेंटिफाई करते हो. जब आपको पल्सेशन आइडेंटिफाई होगा, वहां पर आप तीनों उंगलियां रखोगे, एंड व्हेन यू कीप ऑल दोस थ्री फिंगर आफ्टर आइडेंटिफाइंग द पल्सेशन, so it cannot happen by any chance, by any means, by any method that you are not finding the pulsation. It is illogical because your immediate expression is the first place where you are locating the pulsation, and after locating the pulsation only you are going to the second level. Unless you complete the first level, it is impossible. I have been telling you for so many times. All those 6 lectures I have given you, every time when I speak this word continuously. These are interdependent and integrated steps. Unless you go to the first step, you cannot go to the second. Unless you go to the first and second, you cannot go to the third. Unless you go to the second and third, you cannot go to the fourth and fifth. It is so inbuilt, interrelated, incorporated, and interdependent. So unless, please keep your mic mute. Unless you want to speak, don't open up your mic. And when you want to speak, make sure that there are no background sounds.
Is it okay? We can ask something.
Of course, it is. This is the discussion part only. It is only okay to ask something.
सर क्या किसी व्यक्ति का मतलब कोई व्यक्ति मोटा है या बहुत पतला है या एकदम जीर्ण है, तो उसकी परीक्षा करने में फर्क पड़ता है ये सब चीजों का?
नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि ये सुपरफिशियल आर्टरी है. ये एरिया जो है वो आर्टरी का सबसे सुपरफिशियल आर्टरी है. आपके बहुत ज्यादा मोटे या बहुत ज्यादा पतले होने से फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. हाँ, उसकी प्रकृति में फर्क पड़ेगा जो आपको नाड़ी में दिखेगा. उसको अगर कोई बीमारी होगी तो वो आपको नाड़ी में दिखेगी, पर उसके कृशे या स्थूल होने के कारण, बिकॉज ऑफ अ पर्सन इज थिन और ओबेज, it doesn't make any alteration in the process of pulse examination. Here you have to be very comfortable, quiet, and need to observe every single thing very diligently, with ease. Then only you are able to examine the pulse. Any more questions?
Hello, sir. I wanted to ask something about the immediate expression. Yes, sir. So when we feel the pulse on all the three fingers on the fingertips, what if we are feeling soft on one or two and just pricking on the other? Should we consider it as a pricking pulse or?
Any finger, if you get pricking pulse, it has to be a pricking one.
Okay, sir, any finger, but if the other
It can
Any
be
finger.
1, it can be 2, it can be all 3. That is why we are not identifying under which
Yes.
finger it is pricking. If any finger is giving pricking, it is pricking for all.
Okay. Thank you, sir. That's all.
Any other? Please ask your questions. These are the questions which are very important. These questions are very important because these questions make you think. When you have got the question, you think about the answer. And when you think about the answer, the ultimate phenomena is you think about what is going to happen, how the things are going to move, and how the things are going to be seen. Like,
Sir,
yeah,
sir, yeah, in the immediate expression, the only soft and prick, this criteria, from this only criteria, we can say that the person is healthy and he has a disease.
so
If
only
a
one.
person's pulse gets soft,
Yes,
uh,
your
ag-
question.
हेलो,
Yeah, I'm listening.
हाँ सर, अगर हम लोगों को सॉफ्ट लगती है तो उस पर से हम लोग वही कहेंगे कि इसको कोई डिसीज नहीं है, कि इसी एक बात पर ही हम कह सकते हैं क्या?
और कितनी बातें चाहिए हमें?
ओके,
हमें पता चल गया, बात समझे आप उसको एक बार। आप सबके जहन में दो चीजें आप मिक्स कर रही हो। एक है
ओके सर,
कंडीशन और एक है फिजियोलॉजिकल कंडीशन एंड अ पैथोलॉजिकल स्टेटस. Remember, pulse gives you an understanding of that particular point of time. It doesn't provide you understanding overall, number one. So if at that point of time when you are examining the pulse, if the patient is in a physiological state, if no pathological activity is happening at that point of time, you will get soft pulse. Like it happens many a time in the chronic disorders. That is what we discussed last time.
ओके, यस सर,
Remember?
यस यस, आई रिमेम्बर सर,
You should.
यस, थैंक यू सर.
Anything else? Please ask your questions. You don't have questions? I'm surprised. I'm absolutely surprised because it is 6 hours is not enough time to get the entire insight about the pulse. Like I tell you.
हाँ जी सर, नमस्ते
Namaskar.
सर. इमीडिएट लेवल पे अगर जैसे 7-8 पल्स अपने को रेगुलर फील होती है, लेकिन उसके बाद में वो चेंज लगती है थोड़ी,
आप
कि
20
जैसे बिल्कुल चेंज लगती है, तो वो इरेगुलर मानेंगे या रेगुलर मानेंगे?
देखो, आपको इरेगुलर पल्स का फंडा पता है?
हाँ सर, कि 2 पल्स के बीच में सेम आना चाहिए.
हाँ, हमारी जब उंगली हम रखते हैं तो हमारा जो
लेकिन सर जैसे 7-8 पल्स तो सेम फील होती है, मतलब एकदम.
बिल्कुल
हाँ, लेकिन बाद में सर अलग से फील होने लग जाती है.
एक्स्ट्रा बीट आती है क्या मिस बीट आती है?
हेलो,
एक्स्ट्रा बीट आती है क्या मिस बीट आती है?
जैसे सर स्टार्टिंग में मान लो कि अच्छी पल्स आ रही है, लेकिन बाद में थोड़ी कम फील होती है, कि कम फील होने लग गई.
आपका बल जो है, बल और ताल में फर्क है. एक है पिच और एक है रिदम. एक है पिच और एक है रिदम.
हाँ सर, रिदम जैसे रिदम अलग आने लग जाती है सर बाद में.
रिदम अलग आएगी तो क्या होगा? या तो जो आने वाली पल्स है वो या तो मिस हो जाएगी या एक एक्स्ट्रा पल्स आएगी. बात समझे आप? मिस, आपको जब रिदम बदलता है कैसे पता चलेगा? एक रिदम है जो रेगुलर है, आया ध्यान में? ये जो आपको उंगली को
Yes, sir.
टच होता है, ये टच होने वाली जो आइटम है वो अगर ठीक से हो रही है, अब रुक गई बीच में, फिर से अलग हुई, तो ये आपको इरेगुलर और रेगुलर बताती है. उसका बल बदल सकता है, बल बदल सकता है, रेगुलरिटी नहीं बदलती. ध्यान में रखना, बल बदल सकता है. आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा बल को और आपको गति को अलग अलग रूप में देखना है. गति जो है वो रेगुलर है कि इरेगुलर है, आपको महसूस करना है, आपको ये आदत डालनी पड़ेगी कि रेगुलर और इरेगुलर क्या है। ठीक है, और इरेगुलर गति में मैं आपको बताता हूँ फिर से समझाकर, या तो एक पल्स मिस हो जाएगी, लगेगी नहीं आपको, आने वाली पल्स या तो एक तो लगेगी नहीं, और दूसरी पॉसिबिलिटी ये है कि वो पल्स आपको एक्स्ट्रा लगेगी, टुक 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 टुक, लब टप लब टप लब टप, ये हार्ड साउंड है, पर ये पल्स में लगते वक्त कोई लब टप तो ही नहीं लगता, एक हमें सीधा सिंगल पल्सेशन लगता है। अब ये पल्सेशन जो है ये रिदमिक है, और ये रिदम अभी रुक गया, इरेगुलर है, जो आपको बीच बीच में गैप में कम ज्यादा कमोबेश पना करेगा। व्हेन देयर इज irregularity in the feeling of the pulsation, that is irregular pulse, that you should not mix with the intensity of the pulse. Anything else? Any more questions? Any more questions?
और सर थोड़ा सा अगर ये बता देते कि जैसे वात स्थान में कफ के क्या क्या कार्य हो सकते हैं और वात स्थान में पित्त के क्या क्या कार्य हो सकते हैं, सेम ऐसे ही सर ये सब
बताइए मुझे। चलो आपसे शुरू करते हैं। कौन सा वात स्थान लेना चाहते हैं आप? कौन सा वात स्थान लोगे बताओ तो मोनिका जी। अगर हम पक्वाशय लेते हैं जो प्रमुख वात स्थान है, तेजस्विनी मैडम अनम्यूट करिए जरा आपका।
हाँ यस सर, नमस्ते सर।
पक्वाशय में क्या वात का कार्य हो सकता है?
जो वात के कार्य बताए हैं तो उस कार्य अगर वात
कौन सा होगा, उनका सवाल बिल्कुल सीधा है। पक्वाशय में वात का कार्य कौन सा होगा?
वात का कार्य जो सारकिट्ट विभाजन का कार्य वात करेगा,
और बाहर फेंकने का कार्य भी वही वात करेगा।
वही वात करेगा,
बराबर है
यस सर।
मोनिका जी, सारकिट्ट विभाजन ये समान वायु का कार्य है और अपान वायु का कार्य है मल को
मल
विसर्जन करना। ये दोनों कार्य पक्वाशय में सामान्य वायु के होंगे। अगर वो बिगड़ गया हुआ वायु है, हमें पिकिंग पल्स लगी और वहां पर बिगड़ा वायु हमको मिलता है, अभी आप सेकेंड लेवल पर चले गए हैं तो मैं भी वही चलता हूँ सेकेंड लेवल पर। सो when you are examining the pulse at that level, second level, and when you are feeling pulsation of snake under index finger, so it tells you about vata karya going on in the vata sthana. In the immediate expression you got it in the index finger, so it says it suggests you of the lower part. So we come to a conclusion of Pakvashay. When we come to a conclusion of Pakvashay, what will happen?
पक्वाशय में वात का कार्य शुरू है।
वात का कार्य शुरू नहीं हो रहा है। वहाँ क्या उनका कहना बहुत सिंपल है, क्या क्या हो सकता है। अब मैंने प्राकृत कार्य बताया, विकृत कार्य क्या क्या हो सकता है। What could be the abnormality observed in पक्वाशय because of वायु? कॉन्स्टिपेशन, विबंध होगा, वहां पर रुक्षता आ सकती है, परिकर्तिका हो सकती है। हेलो हेलो, क्यों नरेश भाई आप बोल रहे हैं? एक वक्त पे एक कोई तो भी बोलिएगा।
मल का अतिसरण,
मल का अतिसार हो सकता है, बिल्कुल। अब ये अतिसार का बात करेंगे हम। चलो, वहां पर अगर पित्त गया तो क्या होगा पक्वाशय में?
पक्वाशय में अगर वहां पे पित्त हुआ तो अतिसार हो जाएगा पेशेंट को, गुददाह गुदपा।
जल गुण से बढ़ा, उष्ण गुण से बढ़ा तो अतिसार होगा जिसमें दाह होगा। अगर तीक्ष्ण गुण से बढ़ा हुआ पित्त होगा तो रक्तस्राव होगा, सरक्त मल प्रवृत्ति होगी। और अगर कफ गया वहां पर तो क्या हो सकता है?
ज्ञानता आ जाएगी वहां पे,
प्रवाहिका होगा,
प्रवाहिका हो जाएगी,
प्रवाहिका हो जाएगा। मल अगर प्राकृत है कफ का कार्य तो बंधा हुआ मल आएगा जो थोड़ा सा स्निग्ध होगा। ये आपको बहुत सामान्य कार्य है, इसके लिए कोई बहुत रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है। ये मैंने इसलिए आपको कहा कि दोष धातु मल के सामान्य कार्य, द नॉर्मल कॉमन प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ एक्टिविटी ऑफ दोष धातु mala should be with you, so you can understand it in a better way. Number one, without getting day before yesterday, probably Shashi madam has told about one case where there was Mausa dhatu involved, and she said it could be erectile dysfunction. At times erectile dysfunction can be because of Mausa dhatu, it can be because of Majja dhatu, it can be because of Shukra dhatu, and it can be because of Rakta dhatu. Remember, erectile dysfunction, if you want to understand, so when we'll go to the dhatu level, we'll find it that. But when we are in the second phase, we can have Vata sthana. If there is a Vata Sarpagati in Vata sthana, it can suggest many things. Now, if we think Vata sthana as pen, medra, so then activity is there. The erection is an activity of Vata. And then which Vata? Which Vata?
Pranvayu.
Pranvayu. Not Apanvayu. Apanvayu, but it is stimulated by Pranvayu.
Yes.
The initial phase is Pranvayu because it is Indriya. Indriya Karyakaritva. When there is erectile dysfunction, it is not Apana Vikruti.
Pranvayu. It is
Pranvayu Vikruti. And when it is premature ejaculation, it goes to Apanvayu Vikruti. So but that has to be, you have to, and what will get, you will get Vata Karya in Vata Sthana. If it is Vikrut, then you have to think multiple options. When you take all those pictures together with single point and single item, like Vata Karya in Vata Sthana, Pitta Karya in Vata Sthana, Kapha Karya in Vata Sthana, it will confuse you. These are common karyas. These are common karyas. When there is Vata, there is one thing is there will be pain. There will be hyperactivity or lowered activity. If it is hyperactivity, it can definitely be said as, Chalaguna has increased. Chalaguna has increased. When it is hyperactivity of movement, extra movement is seen. When it is lower activity, like in paralysis, the chalatva is lost. Stabdata has increased. So chalatva is lost. Patient becomes stiff. And otherwise he becomes flaccid. So you need to understand in what area it has been active. If it is in pranavayu, he will get an spastic activity. If it is an the lower part, it will give you laxid paralysis. So when you are examining a patient, you have to keep multiple things in the mind. Nadi takes you to the near diagnosis, but diagnosis is a sum total of all your understanding. It is the sum total of complete understanding. You cannot have a single piece. Like Charka said, संप्राप्ति के एक टुकड़े से आप निदान नहीं कर सकते. संप्राप्ति के एक टुकड़े से आप निदान नहीं कर सकते. आपको संपूर्ण संप्राप्ति का एक साथ विचार करना पड़ेगा. संपूर्ण संप्राप्ति का एक साथ विचार करना पड़ेगा. आपको दोष मिले हैं, दुष्य मिले हैं, उनको घटा कैसे, ये आपको ढूंढना पड़ेगा. नाड़ी आपको दोष, दुष्य, स्थान, अवयव, विशेष आदि का ज्ञान देती है, उसकी कार्यकारिता का ज्ञान देती है, पर निदान में जो संप्राप्ति बनानी है वो आपको आपके जेहन में जो आयुर्वेद है, जो बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ आयुर्वेद आपके पास है, उसको साथ में लेकर बनानी पड़ेगी. उसको छोड़कर अगर आप बनाने की चेष्टा करेंगे तो हो सकता है कि आप मिस्टेक कर जाओ, आप कुछ अलग चीज सोचो. ध्यान में आया? मैं जरा एक रिक्वेस्ट करूं किसी को, तो भी जो लोग ज्वाइन हुए हैं वो जरा अपने ग्रुप में जाकर एक मैसेज दे सकते हैं क्या? कुछ लोग ज्वाइन नहीं हो पा रहे, शायद मुझे कॉल्स आ रहे. हाउ टू ज्वाइन स्टेप वाइज. मैंने बहुत बार लिखा पर शायद मेरी भाषा उनके समझ में नहीं आ रही है. तो इफ यू कैन राइट इट आउट, इट वुड बी ग्रेट हेल्प टू मी. It's simple. When you register, you get an email ID in your email ID, you get a message from Zoom. It gives you meeting ID and it gives you password. What you have to do is log in your Zoom account first. Once you log in your Zoom account, then use that, then you have to click the join meeting, then put your meeting ID and password there, not in Zoom login. Zoom login, you have to log in on your own Zoom account. Your own Zoom account, if you conduct a meeting, it won't allow you for more than 40 minutes to speak for a group. But with my ID, as I am a host, when you log in with your ID, you can continue till the time I intend. So the time, as long as we are speaking, we can go on doing it. So second part, when you are in Gati, Gati is very important because that tells you which activity is happening, what dosha karya is happening. And you need to remember all dosha karyas. You have, now you have to make multiple charts. First chart is in the lower part of the body, which are the vata sthana, which are the pitta sthana, and which are the kapha sthana. In middle part, what are the vata sthana, pitta sthana, and kapha sthana. In upper part, what are the vata sthana, pitta sthana, and kapha sthana. In that every part, what will happen in physiological condition if the vata is active, if pitta is active, and if kapha is active. In pathological condition, if vata is active, if pitta is active, and kapha is active, you can make a chart. And once you make a chart, then you have to go, so in which prakriti the aggravation will happen faster and better. If it is pitta prakriti, the aggravation of pitta can happen with even a smallest amount of nidana. If it is vata prakriti, vata nidana, small amount, and vata will go haywire. But if it is kapha prakriti, and if you consume some vata karya, vata nidana, so it won't attain the seat of nidana, like seti kartavyata व्याधेर हेतुर निदानम, जिसकी इति कर्तव्यता व्याधि निर्मित में होती है उसको निदान कहते हैं. वो निदान के व्याख्या को पूरा ही नहीं कर सकेगा. इट कैनॉट बी कंप्लीटिंग its own responsibility to be called as hetu. So that is why a disease may not occur. And in certain condition of the disease, in certain point of time, your body is in a physiological status. You are not continuously ill. No patient is continuously ill. There are leena doshas, there are sampraptis, udarkas, upadravas, all these factors, sankara happens. Why it happens? Because earlier disease process is stopped somewhere and the disease process is not continuous. So you have to remember this. So when you are examining a patient, be quiet, be comfortable, try to analyze and understand the variations in the dosha. And when you understand variations in the dosha, you will be able to make the diagnosis very proper. Next time, we'll be discussing about Prakriti. What kind of Prakriti and what are the signs and symptoms we find it in the pulse, right? Today we discuss the second level. And as I have told you before we started this entire program, that we will be dealing with one disease every time. So today I am going to deal with arthritis. Are you ready? Write down the case. Write down the case. It's a pricking pulse. Regular. Full. Not warm. Index 3+. It is pricking, regular, full, not warm, index 3+. superficial, index 3+, frog, middle 3+, snake, ring 2+, snake, index 3+, frog, middle 3+, snake, and ring 2+, snake. Deep, index 2+, middle 3+. Patient is 35-year male executive, a salesman of a pharma company. Sabdosha, middle 5, ring 5. And dhatu level,
Sir, Sabdosha, please. Repeat.
middle 5, ring 5.
Middle 5, ring 5. Sir, Sabdosha level.
Dhatu.
No, Sabdosha level, please repeat.
You have been asking it fourth time. Middle 5 and ring 5.
Okay.
And dhatu level is index finger. Dhananjay Bairagi, explain. Dhananjay, speak.
वात पित्त का कार्य
You have already put it on. So now you explain.
वात स्थान में पित्त का कार्य चालू है और
पहले तो आप शुरू से शुरू करिए. You have to talk from immediate expression. कभी भी ध्यान में रखिएगा, नाड़ी परीक्षा का निदान करना है तो पांचों लेवल को एनालिसिस करना इम्पोर्टेंट है. आपका निदान बिल्कुल आप सही तरीके से जा रहे हो. अलका जी आप भी सही हो, धनंजय भाई ने पहले लिखा वो भी सही, और मेरे ख्याल से आप में से सबको एक निदान की प्रक्रिया ध्यान में आई है।
यस सर।
एक प्रक्रिया ध्यान में आई है, ये प्रक्रिया आप एक्सप्लेन करो मुझे, नाड़ी में आप कैसे आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हो उसे?
प्रिकिंग है, मतलब एक्यूट कंडीशन। हेलो।
आज मैं सुन रहा हूँ, सब लोग सुन रहे हैं, आप बोलो ना।
हाँ, रेगुलर है मतलब हार्ट इन्वॉल्व नहीं है। इंडेक्स 3+ है, मतलब वात स्थान में नाभि के नीचे।
गलत, बंद बंद बंद, नो नो नो। अलका मिश्रा, चलो आप बताओ।
सर प्रिकिंग पल्स है तो पैथोलॉजिकल कंडीशन शो कर रहा है। रेगुलर है तो सर फिर सुपरफिशियल में इंडेक्स में 3+ से और फ्रॉग मतलब
यहाँ पर मैंने रुकाया, इनको इसलिए रुकाया क्योंकि इंडेक्स फिंगर पर वो कह रहे हैं कि वात स्थान में। इंडेक्स फिंगर हमारे इमीडिएट एक्सप्रेशन में क्या शो करती है?
नहीं सर, इंडेक्स फिंगर इमीडिएट वाला तो शो कर रहा है नाभि से नीचे दोष तीव्रतर है।
शरीर का नाभि के नीचे नहीं, नाभि के नीचे नहीं, नाभि के नीचे वाला पोर्शन, अपान क्षेत्र का भाग, शरीर के नीचे वाला हिस्सा, बराबर है?
शरीर जी,
तो नीचे वाले हिस्से में है तकलीफ, शरीर के नीचे वाले हिस्से में तकलीफ है। ये बात वात स्थान नहीं, इमीडिएट में डोंट टॉक अबाउट स्थाना, दोष स्थाना वहां नहीं आते हैं। दोष स्थाना आते हैं कहाँ पर? सुपरफिशियल में आते हैं, करेक्ट। दोष स्थाना आते हैं सुपरफिशियल में। तो सुपरफिशियल में क्या है?
वात स्थान में पित्त दोष सबसे तीव्र है, तीव्रतर है। फिर पित्त स्थान में वात दोष तीव्रतर है और कफ स्थान में वात दोष +2 है, मतलब उससे थोड़ा सा कम। तो
basically you are understanding this, that when it is index finger it shows about vatasthana, where you are getting very serious severe condition of pitta activity. When you go to pitta sthana it gives you severe activity of vata, and in kapha sthana is due to moderate activity of vata, right?
Yes sir.
And then when you go to deep, what is the prakriti?
Yes, पित्त प्रधान वात प्रकृति,
पित्त वातात्मक प्रकृति है जिसमें पित्त प्रधानता है। So now when you go to सबदोषा, what happens? आप कौन बताएगा मुझे? सबदोषा किसने डाला है आगे? उपाध्याय जी नहीं, विनय यादव जी, विनय जी, विनय जी, विनय जी कहाँ है? सबदोषा बताइए।
जी सर, मिडिल फिंगर 5 है, मतलब भाजक पित्त में है यहाँ पे। तो यहाँ पे मतलब स्किन पे परेशानी आएगी पेशेंट को, और रिंग फिंगर 5 में है तो फ्लेशर कफ है। फ्लेशर कफ मतलब जॉइंट में उसको पेशेंट को परेशानी आएगी। और धातु लेवल इंडेक्स में ऐसा तो अस्थि धातु विकृति
क्या होगा? निदान
एक्यूट गाउटी आर्थराइटिस होना चाहिए।
गाउटी आर्थराइटिस को हम वात रक्त कह सकते हैं।
जी सर, एक्यूट नवीन जो रहेगी, जो
एक्यूट अटैक आया है
जी।
रिमेम्बर, गाउट या वात रक्त जो है वो कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस नहीं रहता, वो अटैक आते हैं उसके, कम्स एंड गोज, कम्स एंड गोज, कम्स एंड गोज। सो you can reach to a diagnosis of a particular different kind of acute arthritis where rakta involvement is there, where the rakta involvement is there. But here if instead of vata, if I would have said rakta dhatu, then
सर एक क्वेश्चन पूछना था।
आप पूछने के लिए तो है, पर मैंने आपको एक सवाल पूछा, उसका जवाब तो दीजिए पहले, बाद में आपका प्रश्न रखेंगे। यही पूरी कंडीशन होती if in this entire scenario, if dhatu is been replaced by rakta dhatu, what could have been the diagnosis?
अस्थि धातु।
अस्थि है, वो रिप्लेस होता रक्त धातु से, तो क्या आपका निदान कैसे होता?
सर ब्लड प्रेशर।
ब्लड प्रेशर क्यों होता?
रक्तवात सर।
आपका वात कौन सा बिगड़ा हुआ है? कोई नहीं। एक भी शब्दोषा वात का है क्या इन्वॉल्व? एनी शब्दोषा वाता इज इन्वॉल्व?
नहीं, वाता नहीं।
वाता इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं है। तो आपको लोअर पार्ट में है वात स्थान में। वात स्थान कौन से है? दोस्त्र अस्थि स्पर्शनेन्द्रियम। ध्यान में रखना, स्पर्शनेन्द्रियम इज आल्सो वात स्थाना, and there is severe pitta activity. What it can go to? Yes, it can be inflammatory skin condition.
दाह राग पाक ज्वर।
There can be inflammatory skin condition. वो विचर्चिका हो सकती है, विद्रदी हो सकती है। विद्रदी मैं थोड़ा सा रुकूंगा इसको विद्रदी कहने से, because when you talk about विद्रदी you go to a very specific संप्राप्ति। ये उसके पहले की संप्राप्ति होगी, विसर्प की संप्राप्ति होने की संभावना अधिक होगी, क्योंकि कफस्थान में वात का कार्य चालू है। कफस्थान में वात का कार्य चालू है, तो कंडू के स्वाद घा के साथ पेटिका आने की संभावना अधिक होगी। अगर रक्त बदलता, मैंने धातु बदल दिया सिर्फ, तो आपकी संप्राप्ति की प्रक्रिया बदलती। अब ये धातु की प्रक्रिया अगर हम श्लेषक कफ में लेके जाते हैं, if this entire process go to with श्लेषक kapha involvement, so श्लेषक kapha will tell you that something is wrong. So there can be some inflammatory condition at the joint where there is a skin rash. Which is not gouting, non-gouting, but there can be an inflamed position of psoriatic arthritis. Yes, very good. Nanduji, very good. It's a psoriatic arthritis. It can be a psoriatic arthritis in severe condition. But you have to remember this. Psoriatic arthritis is never acute, but he can get an acute psoriatic arthritis attack. He can get an acute psoriatic arthritis attack. And it resembles with Vatrakta. It resembles with Vatrakta. You have to be very cautious with the same arthritic condition. When you are analyzing at different level, you are changing the diagnosis. That is why this entire discussion platform is for. Now we go to another case. It's a 25-year female. धोबन भाई, इको आ रहा है किसी का, थोड़ा सा आपका या तो स्पीकर ऑफ करिए या माइक बंद कर दीजिए। A washer woman who washes clothes, 25-year-old lady.
धोबन no?
Dhobhan. But there are, we have few people across the world in this group. We may not understand Hindi. My request to all is, as long as we can, we continue with English. We try to make the entire discussion happening in English. So all our counterparts, whether it's from the southern part of India, from northeast, or from outside India, they all will be benefited. I'm really happy. These days now my pulse diagnosis program is probably getting popularized. So my next batch has got one student from Australia, 2 from France, 1 from Singapore, 2 from Canada, and rest all our friends. This time I made it that I will charge non-Indians extra fee. So they paid me $25. So that is how the fun is happening. So this is now we have tried one more thing. I'm happy to share with you before we go to the case. Now Pulse Diagnosis Training and Research Center, Nadi Guru Pulse Diagnosis and Training Research Center is trying to bring all those pulse diagnosticians across India or outside India to come on this platform, conduct a webinar on the process they are doing. We are also doing one thing, that we are asking our regional partners, those who have studied with multiple platforms with me, I'm requesting them if they can speak in their regional language. It can be Kannada. Kannada, I'm really happy. Anusuya is with us today. Thank you, Anusuya. She has agreed to do it in Kannada. One of my friend, earlier one master trainer, Dr. Rajesh, he is from Kottayam, not Kottayam, Kozhikode. He is doing it in Malayalam. Dr. Thomas, Tony Thomas, he is doing it another one in Malayalam. One of our today's member here, Amruta, she is doing it in Marathi. One person from Gujarat doing it in Gujarati. So regional languages, I'm trying to give a regional focus. I cannot speak all the languages. I can speak Marathi and Gujarati well, but I want somebody else to do this, because this is how, if you start teaching, your understanding will be very better. Sairamji, I'm sorry, that video is too big. I'll be sharing it on the YouTube, and I'll share the link of YouTube with everybody. It's 4-hour webinar. It was a huge webinar. Never expected. I thought it can be another course of 90 minutes or 100 minutes, but then everybody started speaking, and nobody left. So the fun was, except for Dr. Ram Manohar, who had an earlier appointment with some Singapore group to be on the webinar. He had to leave. Even our secretary was waiting for 3 hours, listening to everybody, because it was going on very well. I really enjoyed it, and those who have attended must have enjoyed it. And I'm definitely going to put it on YouTube. So being that is too big, so I am cutting it down to multiple pieces, and one by one every piece will come on the YouTube. That work is going on right now. So the moment it happens, I'll let you know. So now that international webinar was a different story, but now these two people have agreed. We are going to get Dr. Sudha Sharma, Vaidya Sudha Sharma from Delhi. She is going to speak about an easy method for pulse diagnosis soon, probably next week. And one Dr. Sushant Mishra, he is from Dehradun, a Gurukul Kangdi student. He has developed a self-designed method. Young boy. I am really appreciating his work. He is like Eklavya of Nadi Pariksha. He has developed excellent skill of diagnosing a disease. So he is going to share with us how he made it possible, so everybody else will be benefited for that. So make sure that it's a free webinar. So do join it when so it is announced, and make sure that you don't miss that slot, because we have only 99 places where we can accommodate people. 99 only can be accommodated. So make sure that 99 are there. So 25-year female washerwoman, old female washerwoman, pulse is pricking. Pulse is pricking. Irregular. It is empty. It is warm. index 3 plus, middle 2 plus. Superficial, index finger, two plus, so on. Middle finger, 1 plus, frog, snake. Ring finger, 2 plus, snake. Deep, index 3 plus, ring 1 plus. Sabdosha, index 5, middle 3, ring 5. Dhatu level, ring finger. Vinay ji, if you are asking me in index, which level? Index in every level. Sabdosha, index 5. Middle 3 and ring 5. Dhatu level, ring finger.
सर मैं बोलूं?
हाँ बिल्कुल बोलो, पर इंग्लिश में बोलो, हमारे बाकी सब लोगों को ध्यान में आएगा. सायराम सर, यू नीड टू एलेबोरेट इट मोर. मिनल जी बोलिए, प्लीज स्पीक.
Okay. It's a pathological chronic stage.
No, here now you are in an advanced class. First you have to tell me the diagnosis. If your diagnosis is accepted, then you have to go for further
Okay.
explanation of it. Please tell
Diagnosis is chronic Amavat, rheumatic arthritis involving heart. Ashop's nodules may be there. That's why cardiac involvement is there. It's a chronic amvat, jirna amvat.
You have to little bit alter this, very little. You're on a track which is correct. It is a case of
Rheumatic heart
arthritis
disease.
with rheumatic heart disease. It's a classical case of mitral stenosis.
Mitral stenosis.
Yes, because of rheumatic.
Because of rheumatic.
Because of rheumatism, you get stenosis. Rasadhatu and Vyana is involved. Remember.
Van is involved.
Van is
Yeah.
involved. So there is a circulatory deformity somewhere.
That's why I am telling
You
because
are
of
absolutely right. It's
atherosclerosis,
absolutely right. It's
this
absolutely-
stenosis is there. Yeah.
Absolutely right. And that is how now we are getting it in the right direction of understanding the pulse in a better way. Now my request to all, arthritis is one of the very common disease. And I'm sure that you come across these patients at least one every day. Person like me who sees very minimal patients, maximum I see 10 patients a day. Even then I get at least 2 patients of arthritis. So you are definitely, Ayurveda means arthritis. It's our bread and butter. It's our bread and butter. So you have to, now next week should be entire discussion should be for the arthritis cases. May I request all the participants say yes at least.
Yes, sir.
Your entire case presentation should be on arthritis and
Yes.
entire discussion should be on arthritis. Next entire week, I am expecting that to happen. Jindal madam, Shashi madam, please take an active participation. So your understanding is very great. We really appreciate it. Tejaswini madam, Akanksha ji, everybody. I am requesting everybody. Naresh bhai, you are all practitioners. Please put your energies. Vasanti ji, you are from Chennai. Am I not mistaken?
Sir, I'm at the moment in Coimbatore. I live in the UK normally.
You live in the UK. Are you aware about Tamil?
Yeah.
So can you conduct one? You give me a call afterwards. Okay, I'll give you a call.
Thank you.
So now we have to understand this. You need to learn. Learning is a process. It happens only by teaching. So you start teaching. Start teaching your friends. Start teaching your students. Start discussing with colleagues. And I'm sure with this practice of variations and learning it in a better way. So next week, what one should speak? We should speak about acid peptic disease or diabetes.
Sir,
Last week I have to talk about
Diabetes. Diabetes.
Okay, we will talk about diabetes next week.
Okay,
Right?
thank you, sir.
So you have to
Thank
read
you, sir.
diabetes. You have to read diabetes, prameha in proper sense, and then let us come together next week, same time, same place. Till then, thank you very much.
Thank you
Take
very
good
much,
care of
sir.
yourself. I hope
Namaste,
you like
sir.
this session. Please make a poll.
Thank you, sir.
I want to add a question. Please rate this session.
Yes, sir.
Rate this session, because once you rate
Yes,
it,
sir, definitely.
so we will be able to know it more. Why it is not adding up?
Can we add one more?
Yeah,
One
please.
more case?
Now it is time is over. I have my schedule, other schedules. I'm sorry. Today my marriage anniversary is there. I completed.
Oh, sir.
Happy wedding anniversary,
Wedding
sir.
anniversary.
I have been killed by my wife if I don't reach there within 10 or 4 minutes. I told her I unfortunately given the time to my entire
have
trip, so
to.
but then I need to go home.
Enjoy your night, sir.
Yeah, I hope some more hairs will not be taken off my hair.
Wish you very happy marriage anniversary, sir.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Happy anniversary.
So I am sorry today. I cannot
Happy anniversary, sir.
but next time we'll definitely do that.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
Enjoy and try to analyze every single pulse without getting bothered. Don't bother whether you are making a right diagnosis or a wrong diagnosis. Diagnose. Right or wrong, slowly time will make you perfect. Time will make you perfect. As your practice goes on, you will be perfect. But then, till that time, you need to practice. If you don't practice, nothing will come to you. Thank you very much. See you next time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.